Welcome to topspanish.com, your online home for learning Spanish.
Hola, ¿cómo estás hoy?
Estoy bien hoy, gracias.
Genial, ¿estás listo para comenzar la lección?
Sí, empecemos, por favor. Gracias.
Our tutors can cater to students of all levels, from beginner to advanced learners. If you're a business user, feel free to ask our tutors to focus more on business vocabulary and Spanish customs. If you have children that want to learn Spanish, request a tutor that has experience teaching children. We have a quick and easy booking system that automatically handles time zone conversions for you. Topspanish.com. Become fluent in Spanish with confidence and convenience. Register today for a trial lesson.